Good day, kids. It's Todd and Phoebe and Dave on camera from Toji Racing.
Hey, everybody.
Last night we did the unboxing of my friend Dan's Plymouth Roadrunner number 7. Awesome car. On Saturday, it's race night. We're going to unbox my friend Kurt's KTM Expo. It's been sitting here. I still haven't opened it. I've been jonesing to open that car, but it's not mine. So, all right. We're going to go ahead and unbox this bad boy. This is apparently the Horsemen Vantage. I don't, the Horsemen Racing, I don't know that team, but I'm still learning my GT stuff. Now this car has been driven, but we're going to do an unboxing just to give it a quick little show and a quick drive around the track. So here we go. All right. It's got a beautiful, beautiful livery. It's got the matching driver in there with the same color if you look, which is pretty dang cool. I love all the advertising as usual. Lots of nice little details, especially down here on the wind fairings. All that, very, very impressive. Beautiful front end, nice headlights. I really dig how these GT cars only have the one windshield wiper. And then of course the antenna for all the communications that they do nowadays in racing. So very cool, very badass. And then on the back, it's got that really cool air dam, which is nice. And some sweet headlight, or taillight, excuse me. So, all right, let's take this over and give it a quick run on the track.
Come on, Phoebe. Let's go into the track. Okay. You don't have to come if you don't want to.
All right, we'll do the settings real quick. GT cars, we like to go 6. We tried 7, and it didn't work out so well. Brakes, we like 3 these days. We're getting used to that. Fuel, we like to go 3 as usual. All right, now we just got to code it in real quick to the controller, as everybody knows. And we are ready. Wow. Thanks, Dave. I blew the first corner. Nice thing. This car is really fast. We were in here last time we did race night. It did really, really well. Really nice running car, and it's very quick. We did already tune this car, so it's pretty fast. It's not mine, so I'm going to go flying off the track, so I'm taking it a little easy on these corners. Oh! Nice thing.
I got it.
Got to get a couple more laps in here. We'll get fuel while we're coming around. Oh, I am just blowing it left and right here, kids. Jeez. Wow. You hate me. Baby, what are you doing? Sounds like my dog's scurrying around. Well, there we go. You get the idea, kids. We're going to go ahead and sign off here. Thanks for watching this unboxing. Bye from Dave and Todd and Phoebe, who's under the table somewhere screwing around.
Have a good night.
Thanks, and subscribe if you like. We appreciate it. Bye-bye.